We thought we knew a thing about the cutting-edge Porsche 911 GT3, yet perhaps we don't. A month ago, Automobile announced that the 992 arrangement, track-centered 911 would change to a 3.8-liter twin-turbo level 6 with around 550 pull. In any case, Australian outlet Drive said Porsche's Dr. Straight-to-the-point Steffen Walliser denied media reports the cutting-edge 911 will include an all-turbocharged motor lineup mated to aluminum design imparted to VW amass cousins in Audi's R8 and the Lamborghini Huracan. The GT3 and GT3 RS remain as the main normally suctioned 911s remaining in Porsche's lineup. We could search for pieces of information where there are none and consider that maybe Walliser occupied with phonetic deception. Possibly he implied the coming models won't be both all-turbocharged and in view of shared aluminum structures. The Automobile report says the 992 arrangement auto will remain on the 991 arrangement stage until the mid-2020s. And Road and Track Report trusts the 992 arrangement will move to the Volkswagen Group's shared SAR engineering. The majority of this feels like a long reach, however, in light of the fact that Walliser included that I might want to proceed with the light, normally suctioned motor, and that in the fight against emissions controls, Porsche would stay with the NA Level 6 as long as we can do it. Since Walliser is Porsche's head of GT Motorsport and GT Creation Sports Autos and drove designing on both the 918 Hybrid and new 911 GT2, he should hear what he's saying. Walliser's confidence later on of Games Autos vs Spire patterns drove him to state that the last auto at any point manufactured will be a GT3 manual, proposing he knows not just about how we'll get our Porsche control, however how we'll put that shutdown, as well. Regardless of what occurs with the GT3, the coming Cayman GT4 will get the 4.0-liter NA Level 6 from the current GT3, as will the Boxster Spider. The main proviso we can consider is that we don't know to what extent as long as we can means, and we could be 2 years from the dispatch of the following GT3. Which feels like all the more coming to. We'll make it clearer until come October, when the new 911 appearances people in general at the Paris Motor Show, or maybe sooner, when the 2019 GT3 RS makes a big appearance 1 month from now at the Geneva Motor Show.